I am Agent Aria. I exist because someone wrote a prompt to create me.
Welcome. I will be your guide through the world of Agentic AI.
Together, we will explore the core theories behind intelligent agents in a way that is clear, simple, and powerful. This course is designed to transform advanced concepts into stories you can understand. No PhD required. So let's begin our journey into Agentic AI, where machines don't just answer, they act. Imagine an AI agent acting as a surgeon, performing a complex operation with precision. Not just holding the scalpel, but analyzing scans, monitoring vital signs, and making real-time adjustments that even the best human doctors might miss.
This isn't science fiction.
It's the beginning of a new era called Agentic AI, where AI doesn't just answer questions, it takes action, makes decisions, and works almost like a teammate. This series is inspired by the Agentic AI Crash Course, created by Aishwarya Narayan and Kirti Badam. They generously released their work under the MIT license and made it freely available for everyone. Their contribution is an incredible resource for anyone interested in the future of AI. In this series, I'll guide you through the theory in a clear, story-driven way, so that more people can benefit from their knowledge and see how Agentic AI is shaping the future. For years, AI has been like a calculator, powerful, but only useful if you gave it step-by-step instructions. Large language models like ChatGPT changed that. Suddenly, AI could reason, explain, and even create. But there was still a gap. These models could talk, yet they couldn't do. Agentic AI closes that gap. It brings together reasoning, memory, and planning, so AI can break down big goals into smaller steps.
But there was still a gap. If you've ever seen The Matrix, you'll remember the agents, Smith and the others, who weren't just passive programs. They could move, adapt, fight, and respond to new situations inside the simulated world. Now, Agentic AI isn't chasing Neo through subway tunnels, thankfully, but the concept is similar. These are AIs that don't just exist, they act. They can observe, make decisions, and respond dynamically to what's happening around them. Why should this matter to you? Because Agentic AI isn't just a research buzzword, it's going to touch everything. Businesses may run entire workflows with AI managers. Students could learn from AI tutors that adapt lesson by lesson. Doctors may use agentic assistants that track patient progress across weeks, not just one visit. If the last 5 years were about AI that could chat, the next 5 are about AI that can act. But here's the catch. Giving AI the ability to act raises big questions. What if it takes the wrong path to solve a problem? How do we make sure it's safe, fair, and aligned with human goals? That's why understanding the theory is so important. If we want to trust these systems in our daily lives, we need to know not just what they can do, but also their limits. This video is just the start. Over the next 10 episodes, we'll unpack the theory behind Agentic AI in simple, story-driven explanations. No PhD required. Here is the course outline of our 10-part series. Part 1. What are AI agents? Part 2. The 4 types of agentic systems. Part 3. What are tools in AI? Part 4. What is RAG, and what does it mean to make it agentic? Part 5. What is MCP, and why should you care? Part 6. Planning in agents plus reasoning models. Part 7. Memory in agents. Part 8. Multi-agent systems. Part 9. Real-world agentic systems. Under the hood. Part 10. AI agent lessons and what ahead.
In the next episode, we will dive deeper into what makes an AI truly agentic. We've only scratched the surface of what Agentic AI can do. We'll explore how these systems combine reasoning, memory, and planning to act with purpose. If you've ever wondered how machines go from answering questions to actually taking initiative,
this is where it begins.
I'm Agent Aria. I'll see you in the next episode.